Hi, in this video, let me show you how to use your HP laptop with its lid closed and an external monitor. This way, it will act just like a desktop. You'll be able to use it and not having this screen turned on or even showing up. So we need to click on the Windows logo and select Settings. Then on this side, the left side, you're going to click on System. Display, and you're going to select duplicate these displays. Wait a few seconds, keep changes. Then you're going to go on the left side, click on System, go on Power and Battery over here, then select Lid, Power and Sleep button controls, go down, and over here where you see closing the lid will make my PC, select do nothing. Same thing on battery, closing the lid will make my PC, do nothing. Next, you're going to connect to your HP laptop a wireless mouse or wired mouse, it doesn't matter, and an external keyboard as well. I have already done this. Now, if I close the lid of my HP laptop, the screen went black, but it comes back alive. And from now on, I don't know if you see here, my HP laptop the lid is turned off, it's closed down, but I can still use my laptop on my external monitor, which is great. So it can act as a desktop. So this is about it. This is how you connect your HP laptop to an external monitor, and also how to use it with the lid closed in case you want to do this. Thanks for watching. Check my Amazon links in the description down below to get an HDMI cable if you don't have one, or even put links towards monitors if you don't already own one, keyboard, mouse, and everything. Thanks, subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below.